My name is Nguyễn Hữu Tùng, and I am an optimistic and have a passionate soul inside my heart. And currently, I am in grade 10, studying in Vinschool Central Park.
Vinschool Central Park. So, which band score did you get on your last IELTS test?
2 weeks ago, I checked my email, and it reported that I have my test result, and my heart was pounding. I was so scared. My target was 8, and then I opened the mail to see what result I get, and what I expected was a 7.5, and indeed it was a 7.5.
Okay.
And even though I didn't reach my target, I am still pretty satisfied with the result. Yeah.
So do you have any plans in the future? You know, you have 7.5, so do you plan to study abroad or go apply to any universities?
Currently, I have a good amount of English skills, so I would say that the next step for me was to participate in taking an SAT test, because I think that I currently have a good knowledge, good amount of skills in math, and therefore maybe it would be useful when taking the SAT test in the future.
Yeah. So your teacher is Mr. Hamish. Do you have any impressions on Mr. Hamish?
First, when it comes to the first day I stepped into his classroom, I feel like, he is pretty tall, and he's first off that he is very tall, and every time he steps up to me, I feel like he's just towering over me. And he just casts a big shadow over my body, and I feel like I never get the day to see sunlight ever again. But then after a week or two, I feel like he really does have his way of teaching students, and he always have this energetic attitude, and also he really knows how to joke with students, even if they are perhaps introverts, and he always have a way to deal with extroverts as well, which really makes the class very suitable for everyone.
I see.
Yeah.
So your class was IELTS Level 3. So do you have any experience studying Level 3? It's the highest level at KTDC. So do you feel that the curriculum, it fits you? And how do you feel about the students in your class?
To be honest, the students, I have yet to remember all of their names correctly, because even though I study in English, but I really do have a bad memory when it comes to remembering names. But I feel like they really participate in the lessons. They always have their effort in trying to learning as well, and I really think that possibly they will have a bright future as well. And I really do hope for the best for them.
So how do you feel about your IELTS exam? Do you think that you did an amazing job in that exam? Or are there any skills you wish that you could do better?
I would say I would hope for my speaking skills to improve better. But to be honest, at the moment, I don't really know. Because from the score I've got, I don't know whether if it's these circumstances that I have been settled in when taking the exam, or if it's actually my skill issues, and therefore maybe in the next test, or if any, then I would hope to try out a different examiner and see how things goes. And of course I will also try to improve my skill as well, so I will get a high score.
Maybe you just need a little bit of luck.
Yeah, a little bit of luck on the test as well.
Personalize your journey with IELTS experts.